Take a ride in the 2019 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.